Managing properties can be overwhelming, especially when juggling leasing, rent, collections, maintenance, budgeting, and reporting all at once. And that's where Yardi Voyager comes in, a comprehensive cloud-based property management platform designed to automate, optimize, and centralize real estate operations. Whether you're a property manager handling residential units, a commercial real estate investor, or a company managing multiple properties, Yardi Voyager provides end-to-end solutions for your daily tasks. This guide will walk you through the platform, covering everything from setting up leases to generating financial reports. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a solid grasp of how Yardi Voyager works, giving you the tools to manage properties efficiently and scale your operations. What is Yardi Voyager and why should you use it? Yardi Voyager is one of the most powerful real estate management platforms trusted by property management firms, asset managers, and real estate investors worldwide. What does it do? Yardi Voyager automates and streamlines critical property management tasks, including leasing and tenant management, handle everything from applications to renewals, rent collection and payment processing, automate payments and late fee calculations, maintenance and work orders, track and assign and resolve service requests efficiently, financial reporting and budgeting, monitor income, expenses, and property performance, compliance tracking, stay up to date with local, state, and federation regulations. Who uses it? Property managers overseeing residential, commercial, and mixed-use properties, real estate investors who need detailed financial insights, and portfolio management, and lastly, leasing teams managing tenant applications, rent payments, and lease agreements. With Yardi Voyager's robust automation tools, property managers can reduce manual work, minimize errors, and focus on growing their portfolios. Getting started with Yardi Voyager, step 1 would be logging in and navigating the dashboard. Once you log into your Voyager, you'll land on the dashboard, which provides a real-time overview of your portfolio, tasks, and key metrics. Number 1, Portfolio Summary. Displays all managed product properties, vacancy rates, and lease expirations. Number 2 is Financial Overview. It tracks monthly rent income, outstanding payments, and expenses. Lastly, Task Management. It lists pending release approvals, maintenance requests, and renewals. As for the navigation basics, you have the menu bar to access modules for leasing, accounting, maintenance, and reporting. Search function to quickly find tenants, properties, leases, or invoices. And lastly is alerts and notifications to view important reminders, approvals, and system updates. Because Yardi Voyager is highly customizable, you can rearrange dashboard widgets to prioritize the information that matters most in managing leases and tenant in Yardi Voyager. Step 2 would be adding and managing leases. To add a new lease in Yardi Voyager, navigate to the Leasing Center and select New Lease. Enter tenant details like name, contact info, lease start and end date, and unit number. Specify rent terms, monthly rent, deposit, and late fee policies. Upload lease documents, attach signed agreements and tenant disclosures. Save the lease and submit for final approval. Pro tip: enable automatic lease renewals to avoid unnecessary manual processing. Step 3 would be tracking rent payments. Yardi Voyager provides a comprehensive rent ledger, allowing property managers to Number 1, monitor tenant payments. Who has paid, who is overdue, and who has upcoming due dates. Send automated reminders. Notify tenants via email or SMS about upcoming rent. Integrate with online payments. Tenants can pay through credit cards, a transfer, or rent cafe. And lastly, apply late fees. Automatically, Voyager calculates and adds late fees after due dates. Step 4 would be handling maintenance requests. Yardi Voyager streamlines work order management, allowing tenants to submit requests via Rent Cafe or property managers to enter them manually. Number 1, tenant submits a request. It can be via the online portal or by calling the management office. Second, property manager assigns the request sent to maintenance staff or an external vendor. Third, track progress, view work order status, estimated completion time, and costs. Lastly, close and archive requests. Once completed, the request is stored for records. Pro tip: use Voyager's mobile app to approve and manage work orders on the go. Step 5 would be managing budgets and expenses. First, track income and expenses. Monitor rent revenue versus maintenance and operational costs. automate recurring payments, set up automatic payments for vendors, utilities, and contracts, generate financial reports, export profit loss statements, cash flow reports, and budget forecasts. Lastly, ensure tax compliance. Voyager tracks real estate tax payments and audits biased matters. Automating finances saves time, reduces errors, and improves property profitability. Generating reports and investor insights. Step 6 would be running reports for owners and investors. Here's what you can track. First, occupancy and vacancy rates help optimize leasing strategies, revenue and expenses, monitor profitability and cost trends, lease expirations and renewals, identify upcoming renewals to reduce tenant turnover. Yardi Voyager's reporting tools provide data-driven insights that help property managers and investors make better decisions. So, is Yardi Voyager right for you? At its core, Yardi Voyager is built for scalability, automation, and financial control, making it a top choice for property managers handling large portfolios, commercial properties, or mixed-use developments. It's more than just a rental management tool, it's a full-fledged real estate operations platform designed to optimize leasing, maintenance, compliance, and financial reporting in one unified system. If you manage a growing number of properties or work with a team that needs a real-time access to financial and leasing data, Yardi Voyager cloud-based centralized system will save you time, reduce errors, and automate tedious tasks. Instead of using multiple platforms for rent collection, accounting, tenant communication, and maintenance requests, Voyager brings them together in one seamless interface. While Voyager is a powerful tool, it may be too complex for smaller landlords or those managing just a handful of properties. It's designed for multi-property management, so those looking for a simple rent collection tool or a basic tenant portal might find it overwhelming. Bottom line, if you need a feature-rich enterprise-level property management solution with automation, as well as loud accessibility and powerful financial tools, Yardi Voyager is an excellent choice. So that's it for this video. I'll see you on the next one.